Hey, this is Mike from Altair, and I'm here today with the Altair Power Pro RC truck. Just want to show you how to install the battery. So we've already pulled the 4 pins out from the truck body. Lift the truck body off, pinch the sides of the battery, and lift up the battery compartment. And you'll see the cable matches the vertical and the horizontal. Just plug that in. And then you want to fold the wiring so it goes down into the little cavity there, and just push the battery down in and put the cap back on. One thing you want to make sure is that you never leave the battery in the truck. If you leave the battery in the truck, it can drain the battery and cause damage and shorten the life of the battery. So we've got warning on the bottom, never leave the battery in the truck, and we have an insert into the direction book about setting the motors and never leaving the battery in the truck. So just remember, when you're done playing, remove the battery from the truck. Thanks.